down. Now let some people know. That is why I'm bringing it again to people notice. Say, so the donation now, Mumu Constance will not post this one. Specie dot, but my post on Wagbeo. If I not give us one. Now they repost time every minute, every second. If the lady precious may go, now they repost time every minute, every second. Or this so what? We're not busy. Only you hear about this issue. There are people who know hear about it. E.g. me, I am number one.
Bless you, they do so. What you consider
birthday. The first one just now, me, but they don't write out for email. Now just few. Now I say me I read for now. Now let's go. You see, dear Mrs. Ajala, since you did not comply with my client's demands and have refused to instruct a Dutch lawyer that can represent you in this matter, and have him or her contact me regarding the foregoing, I consider myself free to proceed with the preliminary relief proceedings against you. The court has set to date for the hearing on Tuesday, November 7th. I'll read all of them. You get another letter I gave you for say a court better defamate Blessing Unjo and that she has to be punished severely.
Yeah, like the way they say, they know about it, they talk for Sanka, the way they say Prince can kill that woman.
Say Prince buy that woman. Tomorrow, Prince can still give her a lawsuit.
Not be make this small boy say girl or say no they Jamie Bobby. Too. See the way the MnomNICA put her for head.
Apart from
you see the Vaga more. He say they say they don't Bobby don't do Vaga there not
apart from Kobete or Mumu Constance when they talk about Bobby, you don't see reasonable presenter talk about this. No, let's be sincere. Let's be sincere.
But they know saying a lie.
Papa will allow when say me they go do DNA, they not do.
What they don't even see when you best friend say they don't knock.
Or both say
they don't knock.
Don't shout for leg. They mail those Mumu.
They don't knock.
The thing they pay, they say me bring DNA, they not bring. Mais rien DNA, oh dear. Bobby do this one. Now I said that for the do DNA. If you shop for her, you know can't do DNA for us.
No come and sit.
What Papa wala talk? Eru wala ma we with DNA go wala no ya asa.
Eru wala amu your warrior. Ya amu your warrior.
Hello mama.
Baba daughter.
ENOGIE. Share this video.
Number one, bless you, Joe in Nigeria.
Okay, Nigeria bless you, Joe here. Right on, mama. Right on, ye. Oh, you're here, yeah, swear.
Oh, Johnny, yeah, so we bless you, John and Jerobo.
Yo,
bless you, other family. A lot. You understand? So it was so much blessing. John said to take care. All know, I have swear.
Yeah.
And every day is 100 euro.
Every day.
Every day, no. When the Lord was out with videos, your Lord was not calculating. I was on that live video. On about 21,000 something.
Can I pay for you every day?
No more Daniel go can be.
Every day. I didn't see March I be pray. Every other concluded in here. Well, I done with God. He said, no,
pride.
That is why I called yesterday.
She said, now you shall be by blessing, Papa. Okay. The followers will get beg only. Now, Taya go better be. And followers will get begging.
Pride.
The followers will get tired and be. Yeah, begging.
Going to another big problem again now. Any year I was saga, never that way. Just to go on Momo Woman. Oh, my bully, I mean, no matter it, Bonnie. Mother, something on woman. You get no, when it bless you.
Oh, no, that.
Beggy. Beggy. Mama, ya wo Nigeria we Cameroon we bless you jogging. The boat.
I not do Cameroon, no, but we have a part of power in Nigeria, no matter.
Oh, that they know they talk about bless you joy. Bana mewe e shema disgrace ya lion agbe. Iye igwalibe ni ya cover here. No regwe.
It's every day, 100 euro. Every day,
just a moment.
Jesus.
Because I'm not shame it. You wrong person. Because you know what you are.
That is too much.
Every morning, some more back when you're in a Facebook. When you know, master the Facebook, Yahoo.
I'm again not dinner. I say, oh, you can't win here. Nima de no more way you won't get. That is it. Yes, Bobby Boluak, but there's NJOH. Yeah, Bolle.
Oh, my, you late. Where's it?
Yeah, Bolle.
Oh, my, you late.
Yeah, now say, yeah,
you see, a better people's. The way a better take that problem for Bless you, Johan. Now, so they push Bobby. May go state that problem. The one where better people they talk with the vessel for year. See, ENOGIE have asked better for DNA. As if say now me be the first person to ask better for DNA. When Queen Lolo asked better for DNA, did she provide it? No, did the better not provide it at the end? We call the column fake. The better even provide it? No. Even when Papa Wala decided to speak out, it was a war on that very day. It was a very big war in that house. Etri Baba Yaga Adaji. Where mama always say, do you know what the cover for this? Eko better here wu. Ote wu. Eko better te wu. And now, me we post there. Una say that una we not post. Una say God don't do now for now. Obo just come back to Aso. Una say una juju the work. Obo ma we prisoner dey gbe. Obo dey gbe adiowa. If person and woman don't get problem, now the God of Eko better the fight for them. But if Eko better shame and disgrace they come, and so that's 40 why do I quote no. So una dey all this kind or kekere wo godogbun since all this one now quiet. Kwa matala dia. There's a lot of no blessed festival. You na do a screenshot of letter na go no dey. Me ma change ya.
So you see life for my head, the way they do. You call it for my body say my enemy na lele. Say go your tiroba. What that go for? Say and I could.
Oh, Roland ya tango. Eko better ask for DNA. Irish you Eko better mameti the DNA. To date tomorrow, Eko better cannot prove that J-boy was born from Abrus Ekia.
Your husband not trust and I make it they ask for DNA. No, they use that to
deceive men. You're a footballer. No way DNA you teach jogger in your boy. A lot of people are training other people's children.
For DNA, did not
trust her.
Did not trust her.
That is why DNA. It is better.
Woman will not trust himself. Did they fear DNA?
God will bless you, my love. God will bless you, my wife. Then you know we abuse carrier or second abuse carrier that we ya we na. You go like take be na na. Na geli ya we. Na we beg they fake, no they fake.
Oh, let's go with the ask the money. Man go away say no. That me. No,
so we call better puppies. All those one that they do the post Bobby video. That one not they pay me. No, it go pay me. May I tell now. Mona for know how now what they saga me.
No, go for pay me.
What it go pay me, Mudia? Not be. I wish it all go see. Everybody knows say that one just. We your your Jama authority. Everybody knows say all those one are saga. Everybody tell them you talk. Akwe ma adele be me bi ora webo that one na your body kede mo dey pa again but the gbesu ade your on his head that one me not even get that one time wetin go make me dey disappointed we go make una saga me e go enter my body Now, if a go better do DNA for J-boy, we can't find out say no be papa or wala, no be get pikin. Say na abusekia, na really get pikin. Oh God. Now let you know for this agami. We go enter my body. Mama ngwagwa taloni. This one when me see today is sufficient for me. Ni make it very Facebook. I want my we monona. Oh, want my letter give me. We bullying here. All the day of it and God forbid. I don't manage we say. So that get this kind of shame and disgrace for he said us it's all this way. 21,000. No wonder. They could better now when you the paper your all the money you make. Why you pay blessing of God because of pride. For you to come out and tender an apology to blessing Joe, you don't want to do it because of what people will say. And now you go still come out the priest say, don't listen to what people will say. Don't listen to what people will say. What would they read that? The court has set the date for the hearing on Tuesday, 7th November at 3 p.m. in Lelystad, in Netherlands. I attached a copy to this email of the draft summons that was sent to the court as well as the definitive summon and the English translation thereof that will be issued to you in accordance with Dutch and Irish law. Come on.
Not be UK, bless the state. Bless the state. So this is my UK.
Now, blessing Joe, bless Ireland today because I see Irish law. No, blessing Joe the Netherlands. But they see Irish law, yeah. Oh, yeah, we know me will lawyer Ireland, yeah,
no,
see Irish law.
Irish.
See Irish law, yeah.
Been Ireland today.
See Irish law, yeah. In accordance with Dutch and Irish law, all rights are reserved. Just sincerely. See now, Dutch and Irish law. Dutchland and Netherlands. Netherlands and Dutch country now. So they write the letters in two ways. They write them for Dutch, they write them for English.
Say so you see sort when you give blessing last night.
Because you see life. You see life because I talked issue yesterday. She go still pay the money and she don't pay, she'll still pay. What pay Abu pay? If not only this one. Irish law because Ekobete Day Island. No, Ekobete not the island.
Ekobete not the island though.
Ekobete is just 20 minutes away from Ireland. Ekobete Day Belfast.
Belfast, a dear island, a UK day.
Very close from Ireland, from Dublin to Ekobete, Belfast, at 20 minutes for car. Very close. So
it be like border of.
It be like say that they border of Ireland, but they know the Ireland.
Like UK,
the UK, yeah. You know, say UK is like over 4 countries in one: Scotland, Wales, London, England. So these 4 continents are in one. They serve their king. Before now, their queen they serve. As their queen died, they say, "Oh, hey, the king." So Northern Ireland. No, it could better not the island. Belfast is Northern Ireland, really. Belfast is the capital of Northern Ireland. Are you for real? Wow. Are you serious? That is because Belfast, Northern Ireland. She did not. Really? Are you for real? I don't know.
Facebook can remove one comment.
You know, the comment not clear. Make I Google now. I see they find out difficult. Belfast city of Belfast, Irish. Siamo. And not Ireland. So I could better why you personate the last in the UK. Yes, Northern Ireland. She's in Northern Ireland. So okay, Northern Ireland is different from Ireland, the country. That is because Belfast is in Northern Ireland. And so
that is okay,
it's confusing, but
This one say yes. Okay, Northern Highland, wait for the May Highland direct.
Yeah.
Highland direct. Country when mommy be and be there.
Yes.
Mommy be and be there the May Highland.
I tell her. Then he go the biggest one out here. Egbe gwa me o. Okay. Mioni. Obungbe on itu meni. Ogo dan ti wa gbe wa. Na ye wan read now.
My body ne, but they want to see you.
Me no dey see me I dey read down me dey for the see am so that me dey know say I no dey write. Me dey know say I no dey read rubbish. One with UK and one with Europe Union. And so one with UK and one with Europe. Yes, it's confusing. Northern Ireland is part of the UK. While Ireland is on its own. Okay, you have a Republic of Islam is different from as we do Sagana with the learn. We are learning in this platform because England did give Northern Ireland back to Ireland. So that was why there were a lot of crises in Ireland.
The same problem did
Northern Ireland, Scotland, England, and Wales are all in the UK. So thank you so much, Ms. Glow. More read what we read. Salobwa. Anyawa ativ na okadokade. It's sufficiently plausible that with the statements at issue Ajala is acting tortiously against Blessunjo, the preliminary relief judge finds it sufficiently plausible that this is damaging Blessunjo's good name and reputation. Oh, Baba. Blessunjo wa tiwa.
Which country Blessunjo dey?
Blessunjo dey Ireland. He dey Netherlands. Yeah.
Dey Netherlands. The one yeke wa
su eko bete so.
Me le fair Bobby rename for me. No, I want no. A boy that want ya zo iroku a.
Abi.
Ya gbe iroku a.
Ara is a mebo gba de gbe to su e.
No, ya gbe iroku a.
Egbe video ni. Who contact egbe ni Blessunjo yi na. Egbe ma me na ya we gbe case video. Uge le su e. They know ya ta, you know see na ti gbe no yi video ni.
Le tout e bon eri yen. Ai ko ye ma ti e bon eri ma.
It is about English or why attack
English,
Oh, you know ya bolu for. Easy me. No, if another person get this kind of shame or disgrace, I forbid the matter on me. Hey, we will constantly like we post there. Oh, one land. But as it can't be a code better on. And that's the one work busy. You see, I say internet never forget. Just the one that they post old videos of me and my wife. Tell the saga us. Eri me ayona gbuwa. We never enter the mess saga.
That if you there's a MnomNICA or go congratulations. When area we go fair congratulations post.
The congratulations ya gbe wagmo.
When area do we?
You are born like be also. Now let's go. It's sufficiently plausible that with the statement at issues, Ajala is acting tortiously. You see the English against Blessunjo, the preliminary relief judge finds it sufficiently plausible that this is damaging Njo's good name and reputation. As a result of which Ajala is violating Blessunjo's right to respect for her personal life and family life. Awarding unjust claims constitutes a restriction on Ajala's right to freedom of speech. The preliminary relief judge agrees with Blessunjo that, in this case, her right to the respect of her personal and private life prevails above Ajala's right to freedom of speech. In this preliminary relief proceedings with default judgment, it has not been demonstrated to the preliminary relief judge that Ajala has any interest in publishing the statement at issue that would meant protections at law. For this reason, the preliminary relief judge we grant the claims under section 1 to 3 in the manner as sought in the decision. The preliminary relief judge will also grant the penalties sought by unjust with claims 1 and 2, and as an incentive for compliance, the penalties claimed will be limited and maximized. Maximized with the amount set out in this decision. Jesus. On a better from Wigbon Baba. The preliminary relief judge will also grant the penalties sought by unjust with claim 1 and 2 as an incentive for compliance. The penalties claimed will be limited and maximized in the amount set out. NJOH is seeking payment by Ajala of a sum of 3,500 euros. President Nezo. NJOH is seeking payment by Ajala of a sum of 3,500 euros as an advance, on the claim for compensation of non-material damages in proceedings on the merits on job assets or more. That in view of the severe violations of her personal privacy, she is entitled to compensation for the non-material damages she has suffered. However, factual substantiation of the alleged non-material damages is absent. As such, this claim is insufficiently substantiated and the preliminary relief judge will reject this claim. Jesus. Waga video na baba. Hope you guys are understanding what I'm reading. I want me to come read this in me. Allah. We are very good. Go get the reality. Allah. Almost was a teacher. Almost was a teacher. Don't need to apologize.
Oh, and they are arrested.
You know that we're battled on that. Yeah, I say me had a rebel in the saga because the level where is bigger than this. The truth. Now, cost of litigation. Ajala is the party largely found to be in the wrong and will therefore be ordered to pay the cost of these proceedings. Jesus. The decision. The preliminary relief judge orders Ajala to, within 48 hours after service of this judgment, take down and keep an image fragment between the specified timestamps of the following videos. Baba, all the video no eu against Besson not drop a. Yes, so I'm very, very intelligent. Very, very. I say.
And all my children go carry.
I'm making say you with saga.
All my children go carry. Bro, I'm happy for that one.
Una de si matter. O mefo. Imeni iboku. Some of una where they talk ENOGIE, we cannot read. Let me listen to you. To your voice note, mama, and double bass. 2nd of March, the day.
2nd of March.
The day. I'm gonna share. Call you. Correct.
I'm giving you this not.
Correct. I know when you fast in pattern or UK, Mama me. Where I could better the do have to give him anytime, any day. Waiting with saga. The mama can figure. Awaken no ye na wa gbe ball ni. Eyan wa ya report to ye ba. Da o ma no we no gerege ma.
Okay,
setting ma yo how. That's good, Mama. Thank you so much.
Okay, oh, no, you're right. When I see the accused Priscilla say, he gonna be a saga in case of his joy.
Ubega. So all the
Lady
Priscilla talk show.
One of they control them.
For all this on the lebiele. No, I come better. You know, get a vessel. Wherever one of vessel way. So who were what you have more do zero seka. Apology ni agu very na go see now. They say for to start. May you pay at 3,500 euro to start. So you bring out deformation of character down.
God.
You see your life, I could better. The biggest shame and disgrace. Don't wonder you are bitter. No wonder you always want to interfere in other people's issues just to make money. I can't one of fast. Ok, do payer kansoasi. Ok, do payer de nevela. Ok, do payer no tu no imagine on live fake life in there.
Ok, do wish pay insurance.
Ok, do pay insurance pay we ya. I go for. You busy. O senhor beans. O senhor beans so. E mata. Me put another one. Wagay. I'm full. I'm full. Then you go, you want to know where you are.
It's for a long go.
Okay, this one another one again. That year, have estimate. You will not buy it, say, the carpet by continue. Saga here do carpet. Now let's go, guys. The request to have the respective rates served in accordance with Articles 3 to 6 of the Convention on this Service Abroad of Judicial and Extrajudicial Documents in Civil Commercial Matters of 25 November 1965 on Sunoba. Sunoba. Shifted Savannah. Bulletin of Treaties 1966 to 1999 to 91. Hearing after the Hague Convention. And so, honey, okay, now we passport to the Netherlands. The blessing job. The Hague Convention on Service on the Defendant in Northern Ireland. Further, the preliminary relief judge establishes, based on the documents and photographs submitted to the proceedings at a local court authorized under the Supreme Court of Judicature in Northern Ireland, issued the summons with English translation on 26 October 2023 to Ajala personally. On 14 December 2023, the change of claim and call to attend the oral argument section of 23 January 2024. The matter don't even exceed to this year with English translation was issued to Ajala personally by the court in the same manner. Ajala did not appear in the proceedings. Always saga. Always saga the saga. 9 months since March. 30 times 9 equals 270 plus equals 270 days times 100 equals 27,000 euro. Jesus. When you are pay, it is fast in the it did no better. Or arrange any baba on the ladder. Jesus. Always saga Omado Isaga Beko Betewa. Ajala did not appear. Always saga here. Oh, yes, so that's 14. Oh, go better man. Oh, yeah. Let's continue. The preliminary relief judge granted the fourth judgment against Ajala because she did not appear in the proceedings, despite the fact that the prescribed formalities of service were observed and it has been established that Ajala was actually able to obtain and review the summons and the change of plea. What is the case about? According to Blessingjo, Ajala acted tortiously against her by publishing videos on Ajala's personal Facebook pages, in which videos Ajala makes insulting, vulgar, libelous, and slanderous statements about Blessingjo. Blessingjo asserts that her good name and reputation have been damaged, right? Been damaged by the tortious statements of Ajala. In the preliminary relief proceedings, Blessingjo seeks in sum, after change of claim, that Ajala be ordered to delete the statement refrain from making comparable statement about Blessingjo via internet or any other public medium upon pain of penalty. Place a specific rectification. That's number 3. Number 4, pay to Blessingjo the sum of 3,500 euro as an advance on the non-material damages suffered because the fourth judgment was granted against Ajala. The preliminary relief judge assesses Blessingjo's claim on the basis of her assertions and documents. The preliminary relief judge does not find Blessingjo's claim wrongful or unfounded. So these claims will therefore be granted in the manner as set out in the decision. The only point to which this does not apply is the claim for payment of an advance on the compensation of non-material damages. In the following, the preliminary relief judge set out to brief how this judgment was reached, the assessment, awarding of the claims for deletion and prohibition on statement at issue with penalties and rectification based on the transcriptions submitted of the videos at issue. The preliminary relief judge establishes that Ajala did make statements about Blessingjo in the manner as alleged. In this preliminary relief proceedings, with the fourth judgment, the preliminary relief judge determines. So you want enough. Investor ENOGIE Maton reporting. Go better. The day when you talk again, say God has been faithful to you. What I mean, your way. Where devil they use you, they were well like this. Devil don't ye give for your life and the life of your family. And when I go, you might thank God for my life. Would dare you say 27,000 euro? I come better did not know the meaning of Exodus 14. Now, me myself too now. I'm not even reason go that side. Oh, how many time I have? Exodus 14 now. Now everybody the thing they work for. I come better man that Exodus 14. I come better 27,000 euro. Debtor. I come better the debtor of 27,000 euro. And you got you can't work back. Don't you be meti na? Egbe mi anasu that way. Umeri no ya so. Abi oni onana yega o na we ya di motor na ba yo motor ya come up. No make na me go ya pay Blessingjo. Apology need to hear where. Ya the legbe you when your matter na ya the legbe so sagala from A to Z. Blessingjo will not leave you. Please let me share this video to Blessingjo. For those of you that don't know Blessingjo, she is the one. Blessingjo, you try. You give a better national disgrace. A better is the only person where they collect national disgrace like this. Oh, imagine if you say, "Young guys, a tie, I worry." Also, no matter you, you will Saturday you are running here. Well, wagon about loud me. My lovers, may I not waste my time because it's late already. I appreciate you all for coming. It's my pleasure to have you guys here today. May God Almighty continue to guide and protect you all. I love you so much, guys. Stay blessed and stay safe. Tomorrow, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I could better. 2 o'clock. I got van. Ya why are you? Now make it night. Say hello.
Hello, ENOGIE, when man you understand every day, you know, every day I can't hear.
You understand? You understand? Meaning you don't even pass the 27,000 euro.
When I wait 27,000, I can't hear. I want with the bad banner. Over the baby, the baby by. Here I go with the baby by what can't hear. You see, me, Ladia. If you can hear what I can't hear, what I can't hear. You see foolishness. That is it, not going to write 10 years. No, Jaimian.
Yana Kunsha.
Is you up in Arena? Oh, man, understand.
Yana Kunsha. Yana Kugbeu. So your mama tia verse ko bet no do gwa. Oni. If na me I will apologize so. Di me no. Do apologize. Ko bet aye ko ko bet aye ko yari ponzi. Oni, you know why she don't apologize? If she apologize, ko bet don't finish for life. Now people now will they use that avenue till they donation her. People where she they bully or say they could be man on do apologize. Ona me way when we man do apologize to your pay here. And the girl go rich. Ebo, you know what Ebo go again no man. Well your man now. You go now say 100,000 euro you do arrest you. You go now see 100,000 euro. I do arrest you. ENOGIE, Combeted didn't even know the meaning of what you just read. Doma on I will say Kiama Vedi school so in Norway. If you ever, me have bomb over your D. Me net your mamma have bomb over your. Oh, we had it here. How? There is a movie here. How now? When me at here, but me we don't say we are come for Nigeria. Don't say we are come for school. Don't say we are teach last. Me na ye titi baby na. I don't have we MnomNICA on my titi here. Ah, okay now. Oma give ye no sunu. Oma give fast again so em no sunu. Abe mumu constance ye no sunu. Anywhere, why get no gain? Why get no gain? Why? Mami wa no support Ekubete. Akausa conglomerate. Akausa group of company. Ewaye. No, that will not show away a beggar. Because it takes only a beggar to detect another beggar. No wonder they call better not you have a beggar. So all this on the lebia day your body. Now you consider the saga priest died yesterday. Say priest by person. Only like we just see your hand lele. I'm aware. We could better. We man we are in this initiative as on it shows you could better they live fake life. You smell on media, you go to Christ's house. Mess way. A professor dressing me a way. Ya do now. Ya make sure where blessing John will continue to press those charges against you. He go press some against you because down babe. Okay. Cows are fast. No Thailand ye Koronia Canada. We see one of Musa in our. So you go where you are. As a nothing or nothing man or ye, Nasume. Or I saw 100,000. The police are ready to work with a party with your say. You not see a person will go give your pot. Now, debtor, when I tag Nelson me, because it's the one way he climbed to the airport and airport day. You just enter a very big mess and you don't know. But seize your pot. That time you know say not be what do you call them? Not be surrogacy be this one. You the red one this is not surrogacy. This is a court case of defamation of character. Sit down for them by the do like person. We want friend me they do. And then every month of surrogacy. Man, a party where you are. A party where you are. Total. Sit down. Be explaining. If I'm not married, so don't get sit there near the. Your pot is at stake. The day government is ready to come better as they are going to seize that pot because why? How can one person be owing 100,000 euros? Don't apologize, man. Don't apologize. Pride. Put your hand on your head. That may God not allow us to have the kind of pride a Kobete have. They may not you apologize. Awa. Anyago. Wa giving. Wa we are doing this. Oma. Okay, do this. We have time. We will know me. No, you have a married. Police will say I am married. Okay, you other you are sat for now. I'm a fool. Pride the boy.